I've got a list of over 30 public places that we will discuss today. Why don't we get started? All right, the first one is a bank. So a bank is a place where financial transactions occur or happen or take place, right? Whether you're looking to send, receive, borrow, withdraw, deposit, or invest money, you can always use a bank. There are different methods of payment used or accepted by banks. You can use your debit card, your credit card, you can use cash, check, money order, e-transfer, wire transfer, or bank transfer. For example, you can say, I was at the bank this morning to open a new account for my business. Hospital. So this is a place or a facility where people receive medical treatment or care. Peter's father is a doctor and works at the local hospital. School. So this is one that we're all familiar with. A school is an institution where kids go to be educated, and we have different types of schools, right? Primary school, secondary school, elementary school, middle school, high school, law school, medical school, right? Jane's currently in medical school. So you might just hear some people say med school, right? Jane's currently in medical school because she wants to become a doctor. Library. So this is a building or a room with a collection of books for public use. Now, millions of people visit libraries every day to read or study. Police station. This is a place where police officers work from or work at. Fire station. It's a facility housing firefighters and their equipment. Church. So a church is a place where Christians go to worship. For example, I am Catholic. If I were to go to church, I would go to a Catholic church. Temple. So this is a building that's used for worship by people from other religions. Mosque. A mosque is a building for Islamic religious activities and worship. Where is the nearest mosque in town? Right? Do you know where the nearest mosque is? Because I have to go there to worship. Just a question, not just an example. Bus station. This is a hub where buses drop off and pick up passengers. Restaurant. So this is a place where you can buy and eat meals. Now, we all know of all kinds of fast food restaurants, right? There are, the likes of McDonald's, KFC, Subway, Tim Hortons, and many more. Park. So a park is an area of land with grass and trees used for recreation and relaxation. I went for a walk this morning in the park. Museum. So this is a building where objects of historical, scientific, or artistic interest are kept. His mother works at the local museum. Movie theater. You might hear some people say movie theater, or in other cultures you might just hear them say cinema. It's a place where people pay to watch movies or films. We're taking the kids to the movie theater this weekend. Gym. Now, I am a gym fanatic, right? I love working out. I love going to the gym to exercise. So a gym is a facility with exercise machines and weights used for physical fitness. Cafe. This is a restaurant where simple meals are served. Cafeteria. Cafeteria. This is also a restaurant, but usually in a factory, college, or an office building. There is a cafeteria on the 4th floor of the building. Zoo. Zoo. So a zoo is a location where animals are kept and displayed to the public. The kids like going to the zoo. Art gallery. Art gallery. So this is a building where works of art can be seen and bought by the public. Amusement park. Amusement park or theme park. Theme park. This is a large area with rides, shows, and other entertainment attractions. Beach. 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 This is a sandy or pebbly shoreline by the sea or lake, and it is used for fun activities and also relaxation. Nightclub. Nightclub. This is an evening entertainment venue with music, drinks, and dancing. Shopping mall. Shopping mall, or just simply mall. A large shopping area with different stores and restaurants. Supermarket. 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 So this is a large store selling groceries and household items. Pharmacy. 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 This is a store where you can buy medicines from, and sometimes they also have medicines prepared for people to come and pick up. Bakery. Bakery. So this is a place where bread, cakes, and cookies are made and sold. Boutique. 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 So this is a small shop that sells fashionable items, jewelry, and other luxury items. Farmers market. Farmers market. This is an open market where farmers sell their produce directly to consumers. Bookstore. 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 So it's a store where you can buy books, magazines, and stationery. And we have different types of stores, right? Electronic stores, shoe stores, furniture stores, and many, many more. Community center or community center. Community center or community center, right? It's a shared space where local residents can gather for group activities. All right? I think that's it for today. All right? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.